Hello producers, it's XD here with another video, and today I want to talk about 808s. And I'm just going to show you guys how to make them really pump and really cut through your mix and really sound like the 808s you hear in popular commercial songs, and be really dominant in the sub frequencies and really be pounding wherever you play them, whether at a big event or in earphones or in a car stereo or whatever you play them on. So I'm gonna just pick out an 808 over here. There we go. And then I'll make a simple 808 pattern. Okay, so already this 808 is giving problems. You can hear it's not cutting off. So what you can do in FL Studio is that you can go here on this miscellaneous functions, and you can tell it to cut by itself and just cut itself out when it's playing. So now with that on, it'll sound like this. It won't be clashing all the time. Alright, that sounds okay. It's not the best bass line ever, but it'll work for now. So that sounds dope, but we also want to make it slide, so we can come here to the slide tool, and then we can just draw over here. Sounds sick. Let's just put that to a beat right quick. So we got 4 bars. I'll just look for a kick. Let's add another pattern. Sounds hard enough. Just add more steps here. Play that back. Coming out nicely. Now we can add a snare. Take a simple one. Let's add some hats into there. Okay, I'll just go right. Already a banger, son. Now let me turn this 808 back down. Now what I like about FL Studio, the already has a swing function over here, so I can just try and see how my drums are gonna sound like if I just move it a little bit to the right. Now that's sick. Now let's add a little bit of some open hat action going on there, just to give that swing. Trim that. Let's trim that down. Now that's a sick 808. So now we can take it to our mixer track, solo it. Hey, there we go. Now let's check it on our EQ and see what it's got. So you can see 808s are usually starting from around 100, going down to 20 hertz. So what we need for it to really come through, like as it's playing right now, it's not gonna be really clear or come out on like laptop speakers and a small sound system. So we just need to add a little bit of distortion to have a little bit of harmonics added on to the sound. So we can go on Fruity Fast Dist or which other distortion plugin you have that you think works fine, even if it's a guitar cabinet distortion plugin, it's still fine. It does the same thing, you know. It's just I'll just use this for this instance because it's easy to find. It's right here in FL Studio. I don't want to use something most people don't have. So here we go. I'll just reset this quick. Let's say default, and then we'll just see how it sounds with it. Yeah, that is destruction. So what you can do is you can just pull down this knob. This is like a wet and dry knob, like a parallel type of switch. But sometimes it doesn't work exactly how you want it. You'd rather tweak it, tweak the effect on its own. So we can go inside our fast dist and lower the threshold. Because what happens is that the more you are distorting the sound, the more you are losing some of that nice smooth low end out of it. So you don't need that in there. We can just turn down the threshold. There we go. Now we can just add our EQ after that. Now we're getting some harmonics up to 500 hertz over here, and that is a good thing. Now you know when you play it on a smaller sound system, you can at least hear some of the sub bass going on there. You won't hear all of it, but it will be there, so it can really punch out of your mix. And also another tip when it comes to your sub bass, what you need it to do is let the kick play first, because the kick has got the attack, an attack like right here. When it starts, it needs priority on the attack. So what you need to do is just give the kick room. You can do this by side chaining. I have a side chaining video, but I'm gonna just show you a simple trick you can use by using this attack switch over here. So this determines how fast it's gonna start playing. Now if you move the attack like this, let me just that's the kick. There we go. We can do this. It delays it, so it doesn't attack quickly. It doesn't play exactly on the spot. So what you can do is that you can see it's got like a quick attack here. You can just raise that and move it a little bit, not so much that you can hear it. It's just to give room for the kick to attack first, and then it comes on and, you know, just destroys your sub. So now you can hear that the mix is coming out nice with our track. Our 808 is sitting nicely with our kick and everything. Now you're ready to move on. Now you can add all your keys and all your samples and everything. Now you know that your bass line, you know, the bass line of your beat is done. This is already a done beat, you know. So that's just what I wanted to share with you guys when it comes to 808 and FL Studio. Now you can also share with me and share with other people what your techniques are when working with 808s. What's another way you can make 808s like, and just share with us down in the comment section. Just let us know how you deal with your 808s and how you process them and everything. Let's exchange ideas. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. I'm X and I'm out.